The NEWgenerator by WEC Project is a fully recycling sanitation system that treats black and grey water. It efficiently recycles nutrients, energy and water so that off-grid locations can enjoy safe, sustainable and dignified sanitation. The NEWgenerator is ideal for public buildings and informal communities as it recycles large volumes of water using only 1.6 kilowatts of electricity. It runs off solar power, leaving zero footprint. The product is available in two sizes, a smaller version that caters for 100 full-time users and a bigger version for 800 users. Both capacities increase when the plant is deployed in a public setting such as a school, where usage drops over evenings and weekends. In the near future, more sizes of NEWgenerators will be available, allowing buyers to tailor the product to their needs. So, how does it work? The technology, which was originally developed at the University of South Florida, kicks in after a toilet is flushed. Wastewater passes through an inlet screen, which removes paper and sanitary items, and into a conservancy tank. This is connected to a standard septic tank as a fail-safe against flooding. Next, water is pumped into an anaerobic baffled reactor, new technology that is different to traditional sewage plants. Instead of using energy-intensive pumps to add oxygen, the reactor uses anaerobic digestion to break up solids. Baffled walls also help to accelerate the decomposition. The reactor releases energy in the form of biogas, which is collected and stored ready for use in the local community. Wastewater now flows into a UF cross-flow membrane, where permeate is produced. Concentrate is recirculated back into the anaerobic baffled reactor. A nutrient capture phase comes next. Here, 3 tanks use a combination of zeolites and granular activated carbon to remove ammonia, phosphorus, nitrates, and organics. Odors and colors are also removed. Nutrients are captured and stored. They can be used for fertigation or released for irrigating gardens or fields. Finally, chlorine kills any remaining bacteria. We are left with pathogen-free, colorless and odorless water ready for reflushing. The NEWgenerator recycles up to 99% of water in the system. It is continually topped up by sinks in the toilet block, which are supplied by mains or rainwater. With the addition of WEC Project's multiplier product, the system can also handle larger grey water volumes. It links to existing sinks, showers and laundry facilities so that a community can efficiently treat up to 125 litres per person per day for safe discharge into the environment. The NEWgenerator is designed for easy installation. The plant arrives pre-built in containers, ready to be connected to any existing front end by local contractors. As it is fully automated, it can be used intermittently. For example, school holidays will not interfere with its efficiency. Servicing can be carried out by WEC Projects or the buyer following a training program. The maintenance cycle includes monthly visits to analyze water samples and a yearly on-site clean of the UF membrane. 2 NEWgenerators have been installed to date. There are plans for 4 more in South Africa and 1 in the Ivory Coast. In one pilot installation, 40 users were asked if they preferred the NEWgenerator to their previous chemical toilets. Every single person said yes. WEC Project's NEWgenerator reinvents the toilet because everyone deserves safe sanitation. Be part of the solution.
It's very unhygienic and it's not really safe and good for the kids to continue using, because in most cases you find issues where there are infections. So what we did is we took our new innovative technology for the NEWgen and we have basically connected it to the toilet system that they have now to be able to recycle water so that they have proper sanitation, clean, they have dignified sanitations, they don't have to worry about all these things that we are more concerned about in pit toilets. Go Bulls!
We're here out in Sloverville, near Soweto, a site selected by Johannesburg Water due to its location and the fact that the local community would benefit from this project. Following the success of the NEWgen technology in KZN, we're very proud to be part of this project as we bring sanitation solutions right into our communities that have previously suffered and not had access to these amenities.
The technology also has to be serviced, and there will be further opportunities for small and medium enterprises to do the servicing work and the technical support work.
I'm a smaller business person in this community. This is my first project, the biggest actually from this year. Since we have this pandemic, it was not easy, but we learned so much from this project. I think now I can compete in other companies for the future.
Sibonga ukuthi ukufika kwale container kuqasheke umphakathi nomphakathi obungenalutho ukhonile ukuthi uthole something ngokuqasheka kwale phone nefamily yawo. Kuyi-project ishintshe ama-toilet kade sithoiletha kuwona angekho right.
Hi and welcome to the NEWgenerator, which is the nutrient, energy and water generator off-grid toilet system. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the process. So wastewater comes from the toilet block on our right-hand side over here, which is just conventional toilets. The wastewater is flushed and it is then screened on the outside of the container. From there, the wastewater is treated via biological and physical methods, and we start with the anaerobic baffled reactor, where the organics are broken down biologically in an anaerobic environment, which produce energy-rich methane and water with a low organics content. From there, the water is pumped through an ultrafiltration membrane module in a cross-flow fashion, producing a clear water stream, and it returns the particulates back to the anaerobic reactor. From there, the water passes through what we call a nutrient capture system, and those are done in the tanks over here. From there, the water is then disinfected, and that is done with an electrochlorinator, which is located over here. So the treated water passes into the chlorination tank, which disinfects the water, killing any bacteria or pathogens, making sure that the water is safe for its final reuse applications. The treated water is then pumped to either the recycle tank, where it is reused for flushing the toilets, thereby saving on municipal water. It can be pumped to a soakaway, where it is safely discharged to the environment, or it can be used for fertilizer in a community garden, which will be developed in the coming weeks. So the biogas is stored in what we call a biogas tank, and from there it can be used for a few applications, such as gas burners for cooking.
We've recently embarked on a new project with the WRC on the NEWgenerator, where we'll be installing a NEWgenerator system at the Kanyisani Primary School. At the Eastern Cape site, we are planning to install female urinals, which we are very excited about, especially to promote gender equality and young female empowerment.